First you'll chant and your tongue will move. Because you can't chant without moving your tongue. Jiva. Jiva chalare. Hare Krishna. Tongue is moving. And the mind is always moving. Everyone knows that. Mind is always moving. Chanchalaman. Chanchalaman. It's going too fast. I can't stop it. Chanchalama. Chanchalahimana Krishna. Arjuna tells in Gita, Chanchalahimana Krishna. Man. This man is chanchal. Here, there, everywhere. This universe, that universe, everywhere. So the mind is running, so we chant Hare Krishna, the tongue is moving, and the mind is moving. Eventually, the tongue moving with the name of Krishna will capture the mind. Mantra. Mantra. Mantra is that vibration which liberates the mind from vikshepa. Vikshepa means distraction. Vikshepa. Chanchal. Mantrayate. When we chant this mantra, this sound vibration, it captures the mind. The mind is moving everywhere over the whole universe. So we move the tongue, then the movement of the tongue captures the movement of the mind. Then the mind begins to move towards God. The mind begins to move around the sound vibration. We start to hear Hare Krishna, Hare Ram. We hear the sound vibration. And inside of that vibration is rupam. Because every form is nothing but collected vibration. Every single form is nothing but concentrated vibration. Wave. Waves. So in the vibration, in the waves of the sound waves, in the vibration of the Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, is the form of Radha and Krishna. Rupam. Swarupam. Krishna Swarupam, Radha Swarupam. Prem Swarupam, Radha. Prem Swarupam, Krishna. Our tongue is moving, our mind is moving, vibrating in that form, with the sound of the name, and then we'll see the form of the name. We'll see Radha and Krishna. Then our heart will start to move. The tongue will move, the heart will move. The mind will move, then the heart will move. The heart will move towards God. The heart will move towards understanding and realizing God. And when the heart touches God, Krishna Kasparsha, when the heart actually touches God, and when a wave of transcendence, when a kripa taranga, or a wave of mercy comes from God and enters the heart, then we begin to naach, dance.